Hey guys, this is Benita K. Black, and I stumbled on a tip that I think might be helpful for you. We all know about the ability to go under the crop option and hit auto to straighten a photo, right? And so, but the ability to auto straighten all of them independently in a batch. Are you following what I'm saying? Sometimes whenever you have auto select on or auto sync on, when you have multiple photos and you modify that one as auto, like the other ones will get out of whack because maybe you moved your camera a little bit. So I'm going to show you a new tool. So let me select all for you. I'm going to purposely make them all crooked so you can see them down here in my thumbnails. They're all crooked, right? I'm going to deselect. I am going to click on this photo. I'm going to go right down here. Sorry, go right down here to the transform option. I'm going to click off, and then I'm going to click level. That leveled that one photo. So now I'm going to go here on that one photo. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit develop settings. I'm going to hit copy settings. You've seen this box before. If you click on transform and check it, you see everything is checked, but upright mode is grayed out. So we're going to uncheck it. Then we're going to click upright mode. Transform will have a little dot in it. We'll hit copy, right? So we've just copied that setting for upright mode and all of that. So we're going to click on the next one. We're going to hit Control A. We're going to right click. We're going to go back to develop settings and we're going to go to paste settings. See how they all straightened up independently to their own photo. So that's how you batch straighten individually. So they all are individualized, straightened according to the horizon in their photo. And so hopefully that tip has been helpful and has saved you time and money. This is Vanita K. Black, and thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.